Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to change the color of text in PowerPoint step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open your PowerPoint presentation and select the text you want to change. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the text or simply clicking inside the text box if you want to change the entire content. Step 2. Navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Home tab. This is where most of the formatting options are located. Step 3. In the font group on the Home tab, look for the Font Color button. It usually appears as a letter A with a colored bar underneath it. Step 4. Click on the small arrow next to the Font Color button to open the color palette. Here, you can see a variety of colors to choose from. Select the color you want, and it will instantly apply to the selected text. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of your text in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.